What has an astounding 132 million active buyers so far in 2023 and is the second most visited online marketplace? Did you guess eBay? You probably did. I'm Leah, and I'm here to let you in on a not-so-secret secret. eBay isn't just for auctions and the highest bidder anymore. In the POD sphere, eBay offers huge potential as a marketplace, meaning there's more room for your business to grow. And to say eBay has a diverse audience and potential for unusual niche markets would be a severe understatement. Just look at the sales of the Giga Yacht and literally an entire town. And while POD yachts and towns aren't available in our catalog yet, there's clearly a buyer for everything here. While electronics and accessories are the most popular category, clothing and accessories are nearly just as popular. From snazzy phone cases or custom speakers to hilarious tees or trucker caps, eBay has the audience you might be looking for. With a more male-leaning demographic, this could also be your chance at a new audience and different niches. So how can you as a POD seller take advantage of all that eBay has to offer? All you have to do is connect your Printify account to your eBay seller account with a few clicks. See how in this video. When it comes to actually selling your stuff, eBay enables you to use ads and promotions and offers a number of tools to communicate with your audience that are all built right into the eBay platform. These can all be customized to your business needs and adjusted at any time, allowing you to experiment with things like new products or promotions. First, let's talk search engine optimization. eBay's SEO potential is massive, as it gives sellers a lot of opportunities to add details to their listings. There are 15 plus fields merchants can fill out per listing to really drive search and give sellers the chance to connect with customers wanting to buy. eBay has what they call the Promoted Listing Standard, which is an easy-to-set-up, cost-per-sale advertising tool that connects your items to the right buyers with high-visibility placements across the eBay platform. Ads and promotions can be set up to run automatically, and you only pay when you sell a promoted item with no money up front, unlike other places where you pay whether you made a sale or not. And you can easily monitor all campaigns with eBay's reporting tools. Review performance metrics like impressions, clicks, sales, ad fees, and more in real time on store level or individual listing level. In addition to the easy-to-use ads and promotions, eBay also helps you build trust and loyalty with your customers by giving you the tools to attract and retain buyers, like store newsletters for email campaigns so you can welcome new customers, stay in touch with subscribers, and let them know about new listings, sales events, promotions, and so much more. eBay knows that their buyers are deal seekers, which is why they offer merchants so many couponing options to include in their pricing strategy. You can reward your buyers with coded coupons either publicly on eBay or privately through your newsletter, social media, or other marketing channels. Or, if a buyer is watching your item or has it in their cart but hasn't yet made the purchase, you can set up automatic messages offering a deal to close the sale faster. And you have the option to personalize your store's homepage and make it more appealing to your target buyer. You can create a logo and banner, and even add a store video to let your customers know about all that goes into your business. Now, one final feature that'll really put the icing on the cake. eBay offers quick bulk upload tools so you can update listings in a matter of minutes. If you've demonstrated success on other platforms and are looking to expand into the eBay market, eBay will transfer your existing products for free. eBay is sounding like a pretty good place to make money, no? But just like other marketplaces, eBay has security measures in place to protect both sellers and buyers. like selling limits. These are something every new merchant will encounter, whether you're selling POD items or something else, and helps eBay filter out untrustworthy sellers from joining the platform. For new merchants, it's best practice to limit the number of variants you offer at first in order to maximize the number of unique listings as opposed to having a ton of color and size options. eBay also imposes category limits if your account is less than 90 days old. This refers to the number of items you can list in certain categories. We understand this may sound like an inconvenience at first, but eBay has done a great job of protecting its customers from e-commerce villains without creating an environment that unfairly punishes honest sellers like you. Plus, eBay has a simple process in place for merchants to request selling limit increases at any time as your sales grow. And for Printify merchants specifically, eBay actively reviews listing limits more often to help you succeed faster. But here's another secret. If you have other items that eBay buyers would find valuable, you can add those to your shop in addition to your POD inventory to build up your sales history faster. Most of you are in this for the long term, so the initial limits will pass by in no time. Going forward, it gets even easier. Customer feedback is critical, so the best way to increase your selling limits on eBay is to provide excellent customer service at all times. And as a small warning, it's also not uncommon for your account to be temporarily suspended after opening it and publishing your first products. This is a safety measure to protect the eBay community against fraud or other negative impacts, but eBay will send you an email explaining exactly what happened and how to get your account back. Still not convinced eBay could be a viable platform for you to sell your POD products? Just see what some of our other merchants have already said about eBay. eBay is a great platform to sell POD on, and you don't get all the copycats and design theft like you do on other marketplaces. So it's a win-win. I have an established eBay store with about 1,000 POD products, all Printify, and shipping times have never been an issue. eBay is great, especially if you already have an established account. I don't have to drive traffic to eBay because eBay does that. eBay provides different account access levels that lets multiple employees access it with different roles. And for tips from eBay insiders on how to optimize your store, go watch this webinar. Convinced yet? Whether you're new to POD or already have an established business, we definitely suggest trying your hand at eBay. And if you're already selling on eBay, let us know in the comments how it's going for you. As always, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Printify on YouTube for all your POD needs.